Hey guys, welcome to B-Stride DIY. I am just on the Home Depot website and I wanted to show you some of their savings straight off this website. First off, we've got the Ryobi 1 plus 18 volt 18 gauge cordless airstrike brad nailer. This is the tool only for $99. Here you're going to be saving $40, which is 29% off. And I'm going to scroll through some of the pictures. Next up, we've got from Milwaukee this M12 Fuel 12 volt lithium ion brushless cordless hammer drill and impact driver. It's a combo kit with 2 batteries and a bag for $179. This is $50 off, so this is a 22% savings. And if you look at the ratings here, they're 5-star ratings. And you can scroll through this too. You don't need me. I just went on the Home Depot website, just kind of looking at these deals. I usually go through slick deals, but you can check this out obviously by yourself. And I'll go over through tips throughout this video. For $199, this is the Ryobi 4 amp hour battery and charger kit. It's a 6-tool kit. Now from DeWalt is this 15 amp corded 12-inch double bevel sliding compound miter saw for $399. You're going to save $200, which is a 33% savings. And then when you look down, you get options for delivery as well, which is free delivery. So, I mean, you might as well take advantage of that if you see something that you like. So next up here, we're going to scroll to the right, and this is in the power tools section. You can go through the different sections at the top there. This is from Milwaukee. This is an M18 12 volt lithium ion cordless combo kit. This is a 9-tool kit. It includes 2 batteries, a charger, and a tool bag. So this you're saving $600. It was $1,100 something. You're going to be paying $599, so you're getting 50% off on this deal. So this is a DeWalt 20 volt Max XR cordless brushless 3-speed oscillating multi-tool. It comes with a 1.5 amp hour battery and charger for $99. You're saving $100. You're saving more than you're spending here. So this is 50% off. And this is a DeWalt, so you know what you're getting at 5 stars with over 700 ratings. And this is a Milwaukee M18 18 volt lithium ion cordless oscillating multi-tool. It's a kit, so you're getting the battery and charger as well, and then you're saving 50% off on this deal. And guys, let me know in the comments if you plan on picking any of these up or if you're just thinking about them. So next is this lithium ion 1/2 inch compact drill driver with 1 2 amp hour battery. It comes with the charger and the tool bag, and this is you're saving $100 on this deal. This is $99. And if you see down, this is not my store, but it says Midtown store. It says 19 are in stock, and it tells you the aisle in the bay. So you could just walk in and you know how many are in stock. You don't have to ask anyone. So that's always nice when you know kind of where you're going in the store. But just something to keep in mind next time you walk in your local Home Depot or even your Lowe's. So scrolling to the right, this has a few pages. This is page 3 of 4. Next, we're doing the DeWalt Atomic 20 volt Max lithium ion cordless combo kit. This is a 2-tool kit. Comes with 2 2 amp hour batteries, charger, and bag. This you're saving 35%. It's $149. It was like $229. And this one's saying there's 99 in stock. That's a ton in stock. So I think you're okay to go in that store and pick up a few. Now this is from Milwaukee. This is the M12 Fuel 12 volt lithium ion brushless cordless 3-inch cutoff tool. This is the tool only. It's $99, so you're saving $50. It's 34% off. And I like the 360 views you can check out on their website. So say you can't make it into the store, you're still able to get these views and just look around the whole tool if you do decide to buy the tool online without going in the store. Now from Ryobi, this is an 18 volt cordless hybrid Whisper Series 7.5 inch fan kit. Now this is a pretty good deal. It's $59. You're saving $40, which is 40% off. I remember, I can't remember if it was Home Depot or Lowe's, but I went in the store and the $59 price was for the tool only. But here you're getting that battery and the charger as well, which obviously is a pretty good deal. Now, speaking about Milwaukee, I didn't see any Milwaukee in Lowe's. May have just missed it, but let me know if you know that Lowe's may not carry, or they may not show off Milwaukee as much as Home Depot. Now for $449, you're saving $150. This is 25% off this 18 volt lithium ion brushless cordless 8 1/4 inch table saw kit. It comes with a 12 amp hour battery, You get to do the 360 view. I don't know if you need it on the battery, but I'm going to show it on the table too, which is nice because you can just check that out. And delivery, it says, is free. I'm assuming that's delivery to your home, which is pretty awesome. It may be delivery to the store, and correct me if I'm wrong, because that would make more sense. But Atomic, this is the 20 volt max cordless brushless oscillating multi-tool. This is $99. This is $100 off at 50% off. You're getting the 2 amp hour battery and the charger. And then in the store, it's saying there's 49 in stock, and it's saying aisle V2. I tried to click on the 3 amp hour battery included, but this deal is just for the 2 amp hour battery. So just keep that in mind. It is going to be pre-selected at the bottom as far as what batteries come with it. Next up, we've got this M18 Fuel 18 volt lithium ion Gen 2 18 gauge brad nailer for $249. It's $50 off, so it's 17% off. Not a crazy saving on it. It is the tool only. On this one, I mean, it's savings, but I might wait for the Black Friday deals just to see if it would knock down any further, just to see if it would include the battery as well, unless you already have a battery. Now, this is a 3/8-inch ratchet and 1/4-inch impact drive 2-tool kit with batteries, charger, and bag. This is $199. You're saving more than you're spending here. Well, it says 50%. You're saving $200, so it was $400, and it's saying it's over $522 worth of value. Now, this one, it's saying 7 are in stock, so you could check that out depending on what your local store is. Now, coming up, this is the outdoor tool section. This is from Beaver. This is a pruning saw. It's a 7.3 foot 20, or it extends to 27 feet, extendable 3-inch pruning saw. It's a 3 pruner and branch trimmer. So I'm going to show you what the blade looks like in a minute because that's important. Now, on this one with the price, it's going to be $90, and you're actually saving $30. So that's a 25% savings. And they're showing you the blade here on this one. So next up, these are some outdoor power equipment savings. This is an M18 Fuel Milwaukee cordless battery powered leaf blower with 2 5 amp hour batteries and charger for $199. You're going to be saving $239, so you're saving 55%, more than the price of the actual kit. And here you can see what it includes: the actual tool, 2 batteries and charger. And then the options here are ship to store and then free delivery. Now from Ryobi is this 40 volt, 120 mile per hour, 550 CFM cordless battery blower with 4 amp hour battery charger. And we're getting some YouTube notifications there. $149 says you're saving $10. Not a crazy saving there. It says just 6%, but there may be some more savings coming up with Black Friday. Now this is from Ryobi. This is the 150 watt power source for OnePlus 18 volt battery. It says this is the tool only, and these are the 360-degree views of this. So it's $39. It was $49. Now this is a job site blower. It's a compact blower. It is the tool only, but it's a 140 mile per hour blower in case you need to clean up your site. It's $79. It's 20% off, and you're saving $20. Next from DeWalt is this 125 mile per hour leaf blower kit. It's a 6 amp hour and 4 amp hour starter kit. $199. You're saving $149, so that's 43% off. This looks like it's about 4.6 to 4.7 stars with over 4,000 ratings. And then they do have the free delivery option. And guys, I would appreciate it if you leave a like on this video. If you do appreciate this kind of content, it does help the algorithm. And next up, what we have is we've got Milwaukee. Their 120 mile per hour, 450 CFM brushless cordless handheld blower kit. It includes an 8 amp hour battery and a rapid charger, so that's nice. $249. You're getting $100 off this one, so this is 29% off. And they're saying there's 6 in stock here at this store that it randomly picked, whatever the Midtown store is. But it's nice that it comes with an 8 amp hour battery and the rapid charger here. So it looks like there's a few more pages of the outdoor power equipment, and then I'm going to move on to some hand tools. So they did have some mowers on sale. Online, this is the main one I had seen. This is a 21-inch battery walk-behind self-propelled lawnmower with 2 6 amp hour batteries and charger. So this is $100 off. It's $499. That's 17% off. And they do have the delivery option. It says Friday, November 1st, so it's just maybe 2 days away. But you're getting the 360 view on this one. At Lowe's, they did have some other battery-powered mowers that were a little bit cheaper in the 3 and 400s, but I think they were the Skill brand, so keep that in mind. Now from Milwaukee is the 16-inch 18-volt lithium-ion brushless cordless electric chainsaw and M18 fuel blower. It's a two-tool kit where you get the battery and the charger. $449, you're saving $179, which is 29% off. And you are getting the free delivery option. And with Milwaukee, you kind of know what you're getting here. So this one is the Ryobi 18-volt 8-inch cordless oil-free pole saw for $99. It's $30 off with his 23% off. And then it's going to give you the 360-degree view here. Now moving on to the hand tools section, we have this 7.75-inch combination 6-in-1 wire stripper and cutter. This is 35% off. You're saving $8. It's now $14.97. And again, they're reiterating that's a 6-in-1 tool. From Milwaukee, this is the Shockwave 3/8-inch drive SAE and metric 6-point impact socket set. It's a 43-piece set at $99. Now this is 29% off and you're saving $40. And it's showing here all what the set includes and all the sockets that you're getting with this. Now next up, we have this mechanics tool set. They had a few different mechanics tool sets on sale. So just keep your eye out if you need something this size or even something smaller. So this is about 4.7 stars with over 1,000 ratings. You're saving 50% off. And this is from the Husky brand. You can see the deep sockets. You're getting the standard bit sockets, 8 different wrenches, other tools, and then 3 different ratchets as well. And this is a mechanics tool set for $99. You're saving 48% off. This is from the Milwaukee brand. Over 2,000 5-star ratings here. This is a 56-piece set, and they're saying it has their anti-roll promise with tech on this one. And I'll tell you one thing I have noticed is the Halloween stuff is up and now Christmas stuff is out in Home Depot. Now for $9.97, this is 47% off. It was $18. This is the SAE Metric Long Arm Hex Key Set. It's a 26-piece set. This is from Husky. And you get the hex keys, of course, and then 2 different caddies. And I'll go ahead and show you the 360-degree view where it's going around and showing you. Now, next up, we have this laser level here. Let me scroll over. There we go. Now, this is from Bosch. This is a 50-foot dual power battery red beam self-leveling crossline laser level. $30 off. It's 38% off. And guys, go ahead and check out, I'm tagging this next video. I went in Lowe's and these are some of their November deals they have going on. Everything looks like it's set up for Black Friday. So maybe some of the deals kind of are preceding Black Friday or even Black Friday prices. But go ahead and check those out here. Thanks, guys.